Alan with Impress Computers. And one of the things that we do here at Impress is we sell a lot of AutoCAD machines. We're doing this for an engineering company, and we basically go through, we set the machines up in advance, we load AutoCAD onto the computers, we get them joined to the domain, Office is installed, everything is pre-configured. So when the technicians go on site, everything's pretty much already done. It's a matter of plugging it in, getting the printers working, and they're up and running. The whole thing is minimizing downtime for the customers. At the same time, we've got technicians that are monitoring everybody's computers, making sure that everything's running fast, smooth, and efficiently, responding to tickets that come through. So if you've got an engineering company and you want to take your business to the next level, contact Impress Computers, 281-647-9977.